Hello, my name is Mike. I'm going to show you how you can mirror your phone screen to your laptop. Okay, if you have a version of Android from 5.0 to latest, you can clearly do that. Then let's say you come to your taskbar, you click down here, then come to connect. Then you come down here to project to this PC. Click it. Okay, once you get here, usually for the first time, if you're doing this on your system, this is going to be off, so you have to put it on available everywhere or available everywhere on secure network. So I'm going to put mine on available everywhere. Okay, now if you wanted to always ask you for permission, but I don't want mine to continuously ask me for permission each time I want to connect, so I'm just going to put first time only. Now you have an option for pin if you want to receive a pin to secure it, or it's required for if you want a pin, just click here and always or just first time, but I'm gonna leave it on never. Okay, with that done, I'm gonna go to my phone. Sorry, I'm gonna share the screen soon. What I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna go to my phone and try connecting it to my laptop. Okay, we can see allow once. Press OK. Okay, on my phone it says connected, and yep, that's it. Cast. So now I'm going to show you what I did on my phone. I come to my settings, connect, then connect preference, then cast. Then I came up here, I have to click this, enable wireless display. If I unclick this, I'm going to lose this connection. You can also do it from scroll down. You see this? This is connected to my system. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see cast on the side of your phone. If that is not showing, you can also try this. Let me show you. Yeah, this is like extra functions that usually you don't see on your phone sometimes. You can just come down here and just drag it up. Let me put this back down here. Yeah. Say hold and drag to add ties. Okay. I hope you saw that. You just click this pencil right here to see the extra function that your phone have. Sometimes you will know that your phone can do some other things. So this is it. And close it. Okay. So I can see from here you can see the screen of your phone on your laptop. And you can also watch movie if you want. me show you how to connect it to watch a movie. Um, Basically, anything that appears on your screen, you can also view it on your laptop. Pictures, movies, text, anything. But right now, my yeah, it's not that clear. Sometimes it has this little crack in it, but yeah.
Some days my childhood feels so very far.
So basically, that's how you do it. How to cast your phone to your laptop. Thanks for joining me. Bye.